by demons.
You're going down. Take this!
Cagey and his feathered crew
Hold on tight!
are all that stand between humanity and total annihilation.
Livestock is challenging me to a fight!
When the world needs a different kind of hero,
I'm over here, fish breath!
he takes a licking and keeps on chicken.
Finishing move!
Hear that squawk? Here comes that cock. Rooster Fighter premieres Saturday, March 14th at midnight. Cluck around and find out. Only Toonami on Adult Swim.